What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can create this type of cartoon animation for absolutely free. Let's jump into it. Of course, first, we need a script. Go to ChatGPT and provide it with a prompt for fun yet educational children's stories ideas. Copy any of the idea and ask it to provide a complete story based on that idea. With your script in hand, go into any text-to-speech software and paste it in. Choose a voice you like from the drop-down menu. Mine happens to be the Anna one. It really sets a nice atmosphere for kids' stories. Hit Convert Now, and once it turns your script into audio, just click Download to save it as an MP3. Now let's actually create the animation. Go to Google and do a search for Animate Audio for free. Click the first link, then hit Start Now. Choose the character option and choose any character you would like. I'm going to go with this one. Next, click on Background. If you want it to be a static background, then choose one of those options. If you want it to be a moving background, set it to a green screen. And don't forget to change the aspect ratio according to your preference. Finally, hit the Browse button to upload your audio into the tool. It will automatically sync your audio with the character in a few minutes. And once that is done, click Download to save the animation to your device. You can use any software for editing. Herein, I'm going to use Premiere Pro. Upload your clips here. Now, place the motion background layer below the main clip. In the Effects panel, you need to search for Ultra Key. Drag that onto the main clip, and from Effect Controls, select the Key option. Click on the green screen, and it will remove the green background behind the character. After having made all the changes, click Export to save the final video.
One bright and sunny morning, Eiko the squirrel woke up in her cozy treehouse nestled in the heart of the forest. She stretched her little paws and looked out the window, excited to start another day of fun and adventure. But when she peeked outside, her eyes widened in shock.
And that's it. Thanks for sticking around until the end. Have an awesome day.